Good morning. Today we have another vehicle. We're gonna replace the starter. So this is job number 3. Woohoo! What do we think of that? Alright, so if you look, that's your starter. That's what we're going to be working on removing. So here's our new starter. It's good to sometimes look at the part prior to putting it in. So in the car, we're seeing this end. So this is where we plug in our positive and our, I think the, I forget the name of the cable, but that's where the power goes in. This is your solenoid, this is the motor itself. So our bolts, there's 2, they're here. So it's sitting in the engine here. We're accessing it from this end. I need to get the bolts out from here on this side, if that makes sense. So good to look at the part, understand where the bolts are so you know where to go in the engine. So we're gonna pull this out, like that. And then here we have, I think, a 10mm bolt for the positive, and then we'll access the other bolts from that side. It's a 12mm, so we're gonna just go for a wrench, box wrench. Get that sucker. The radiator hose is just in the way, so if I can't get this on it, I got it. I have gonna round the bolt. Okay, maybe not. Alright. We were able to get it with a ball joint. So, got an extension. The radiators are very in the way. But, here. Right there, between the radiators is where the bolt is. It's a 14mm. Of course it won't focus. And then I just put in a little extension and I'll be able to ratchet that out. And then the other one should be underneath the starter. It's going to be hard to see from up top. So, alright. This is our starter. We got it out. Woohoo! I had to take off this harness right there, and then I just slid it out from its spot, and I don't know how well this will pick it up, but we're gonna put the new one back there. Here's the one we just took out. Trash. And here's our new one. Let's see if we can slide it in there. I'm actually gonna leave the bolts out because they'll just get in the way, but we're gonna go in the same way that we came out. see how well. Alright, so I thought I was recording still when I put this in, but I did not. So I got it slid back. You can see through here, we did the top bolt, right? I don't know if you can see, but right here is where the top bolt is. I hand tightened the bottom bolt down here, and just with my fingers, and now I'm gonna go ahead and ratchet it on, and that's the starter. So sorry about not recording. I thought I was doing that the entire time, and it was not. So alright, I believe we got it. Here we go. Alright, so when it starts, I forgot to plug that back in. And with that plugged back in, start right up.